If you're considering a switch to natural gas or you've been using it for years, it's important you rely on a specialist. That's MainCare, your friendly, local natural gas experts. Whether you need a new installation, repair, or routine maintenance, we've got you covered. With new installations, we handle everything from beginning to end. We'll design and install a system that's perfect for your home and budget, and will keep your family safe and warm year after year. We'll even remove and properly dispose of your old system at no additional charge. If you haven't recently serviced your natural gas equipment, it's not running as efficiently as it could. With the MainCare Home Protection Plan, we'll have everything running smoothly and safely. Don't rely on a handyman or plumber. Trust the professionals at MainCare. We'll make sure your natural gas equipment is installed right, works right, and stays that way. MainCare has been around since 1930, so you know you can count on us for years to come. MainCare Energy, the natural gas experts. Give us a call today.